Hi, you will probably see quite soon that you don't need computers all the time, even though you're studying computer science. But nevertheless, at some points, they are quite handy or even needed. So this is especially true when you need to use any web services or IT infrastructure, for example, to register for exams, labs, and whatever. So to access those systems, you need to use accounts. And there are in fact two accounts that are relevant for you. One is the HRZ account, which is the account from the University-wide Computing Center, Hochschulrechenzentrum, in short HRZ. They provide university-wide services like the Wi-Fi or VPN. And there is a second account which is needed for all the services that are provided, especially for people at the Department of Computer Science. This is done by the ISP, Infrastructure und Studentischer Pool Service, which were formerly called Rechnerbetriebsgruppe, short RBG. You will probably find the old abbreviation at some places. And they provide services especially for people at our department, like the computer pools in the basement of the building, or access to other computing resources. And as I already mentioned, these are two different accounts. So there is one account for HRZ, which is used for all the university-wide services. You already used one of those services, Toucan, when you applied for your studies. And there's the ISP account for the special services for computer science. Even though those are two different accounts, they share the same username, which is your TUID, which follows the structure 2 letters, 2 digits, 4 letters. But the passwords for those accounts may be different. So as I said, these are two different accounts. So you can, in fact, of course, set two different accounts to the same password. But nevertheless, you will then have to change the password at two different places if you want to change your password. And as this might be quite confusing right now, the process is not totally simple. We compiled a list of instructions how to activate those two accounts on d120.de/a, and we would like you to go through these instructions and follow them. So first activate your TUID, therefore you need a letter you were sent, and then activate ISP account and do some other things like mail forwarding. Please follow the instructions at the web page, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the Discord chat. Thank you.